Hello student, in the previous video we have already discussed the area and the perimeter of the plane figures. We have already discussed the first exercise. Second exercise, it is not in your syllabus. So let us move to the third exercise, that is based on circle. So here are few formulas based on circles. The formulas related to circle. This is a circle, this is a circumference. The boundary, the perimeter in case of circle is known as circumference. Then the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, area of circle pi r square, area of the ring or area of concentric circle. Concentric circle means circles with the same center. This is the same center. This is the small r is the radius of smaller circle. Big R is the radius of the bigger circle. So it is pi capital R square minus small r square. Then few questions based on the number of revolutions, that is distance covered divided by circumference of the circles, and how to find the distance, number of revolutions multiplied by circumference. So let us discuss the exercise 26C now. In exercise 20C, the diameter already given 28, radius 14, diameter divided by 2, and they ask you to find the circumference and area, and it's very simple. Circumference formula 2 pi r, put the values, and area is pi r square, put the values, and we will get the answer. In second question, they have given you circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r equal to 308, and after solving we will get the radius 7 into 7 49, and after finding radius we will calculate the area by using the formula pi r square. Radius is 49, so put the values, and area units you will write square. For circumference meter, and for area it is meter square. So come to the third question now. In the third question, it is already given in the question, the sum of the circumference and the diameter is 116. So circumference and diameter formula you will write, and equate equal to 116. From there 2 r is common, and value of pi is 22 by 7. You can solve it. After solving it, in the end we will get radius 14, and like this you can this only you are supposed to find. Fourth question. In the fourth question, it is already given the radius of two circles are given, and it is given the sum of their circumferences will be equal to the circumference of the third circle. So let the radius of first circle is 25, second is 18, third we don't know. It is given the circumference of first and second circle is equal to third. So we can write the formula here. Take 2 pi common, r1 plus r2 is 2 pi r3, 2 pi cancel, and from there we will calculate the radius of the third circle. Come to eighth question. A circle of the largest area is cut from a rectangular piece of cardboard. This is a rectangular piece of cardboard, and from here you have to cut a circle of largest area. So this is the diameter, the breadth will become the diameter. If you will take length as diameter, the circle will go outside that rectangular board. So we will take breadth as diameter, and we will cut a piece of largest size. Now the length, this rectangle length is 55, breadth is 42. We can calculate its area. So it is 2310 centimeter square. Then the circle, the diameter is this breadth, that is 42. So what is the radius? Diameter divided by 2, 21. So area is what? Pi r square. Put the values. We can calculate the area of triangle. Now you will find the what is the remaining cardboard. So from the rectangle you will subtract the area of circle, and we will get the area of the remaining cardboard. In the question they are asked you what is the required ratio between the area of circle and the remaining cardboard. So we will divide them. After division we will get the ratio 3:2. So see the ninth question. Diagram is already given in the book. This is the diagram, and this is 28 centimeter. This is also 28. Why? Because it is a square. All the sides are equal. So 4 circles. You have to cut the 4 circles. You can see this from here to here it is 28. So it means if you will add 2 circles diameter, that will be equal to 28. So what is the side of the square? It is 28. Then what is area of square? 28 square we can calculate. Then the side will be 28. What is the diameter? 28 by 2, 14, and then we will calculate the radius 7. So area of first circle you can calculate, one circle you can calculate pi r square, and how many circles are there? 4. So area of 4 circles, 4 into area of one circle, it is this. Now they are asking you what is the area of remaining cardboard. From area of square you subtract the area of 4 circles, and this is the remaining area of the remaining cardboard. Now the next topic is regarding the concentric circles. Question number 12. In the 12th question, the bigger radius and smaller radius R1 and R2 both are given. So they are asked you find the area of the ring. So that is pi R1 square minus R2. R1 is bigger value and R2 is smaller. So we can apply the formula and we can put the values, and we will get the area of the ring 550 centimeters square. Now in the 13th question also, the circumference of the given circular park is 55. Inner circumference 55. From there we will calculate the small r. Okay, you can see here this is a smaller circle and its circumference is given. The width is given 3.5. We are supposed to find capital R. So we will find first of all small r by using the formula of the circumference, that is 2 pi r equal to 55. So find radius, width is 3.5. Then we will calculate capital R, that is r plus width, it is 12.25. After finding capital R, small r and width, they are asked you what is the area of the path. So area of the path, pi capital R square minus small r square. So it is, you can here solve it, and after solving in the end we will get the area of the path. Path means this shaded region. This is the area of path. So path is 231 meter square. So let us discuss the last topic, that is the distance traveled, number of revolution and circumference. So come to the 15th question. A wheel has a diameter 84 centimeter. How many complete revolutions must it make to cover the 3.168 kilometer? So diameter is given. So we can calculate the radius and we will find the circumference by using the formula 2 pi r. This is the circumference. Distance is already given in kilometer, but this circumference is in the centimeter. We know the relationship between kilometer and centimeter. In 1 kilometer 1 lakh centimeters are there. So then you can solve it and you can find the distance. This is the distance in centimeter. Now what is the number of revolutions? Number of revolution is distance divided by circumference. We can divide it. So number of revolutions will be 1200. So come to 16th question. Now in the 16th sum, each wheel of a car is of the diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolutions does the wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So similarly here also we have to find number of revolutions, that is distance upon circumference. Diameter is given, we can calculate the radius, then we will calculate the circumference. Speed is given, time is given, we can calculate the distance by using the formula speed into time. So distance we can calculate in centimeter, the number of revolutions, distance divided by circumference, we can put the values and we are getting the number of revolutions 4375. See the 18th sum. 18th question is based on the minute hand of a clock. This is the 8 centimeter long. The minute hand of the clock is 8. So radius is 8. We know the angle at the center is 360 degree. So what is the angle made in 1 minute? That is 360 divided by 60. It is 6 degree. So you can see the angle between 8:30 AM to 910. This angle, total 35 minutes are there. So 35 minutes means 35 into 6, 210. So here we can use the formula of area of sector, that is theta over 360 into pi r square. What is theta? 210. What is r? 8. So we can put the values and in the end we will get 117.33. This is the area swept by minute hand in 35 minutes. Come to question number 21. In the 21st question again the total cost is given, rate of cost is given. We can but it is given per meter, so we can find the circumference, total cost over rate of cost. We divide them, we get the circumference 220, apply the formula of circumference and find the radius. Then you will calculate the area. Now they are asking you in the question that find the cost of plowing the field. So area already we know, the cost is given 12.50. So cost of this much whole area is just multiply, and afterward we come to know the cost of plowing the field is 48,125. So come to 22nd. Two circles are touch each other externally. So this is the position of two circles. They are touching each other externally. Let R1 is the radius of first circle, R2 is the radius of second circle. Total distance is 10 centimeter and their sum of their area is 58 pi. So here distance between center 10 centimeter, r1 plus r2 is equal to 10. R1 is what? 10 minus r2. Sum of their areas 58 pi. Just apply the formula, and then here you can put the value of r1 is r1 10 minus r2. Here you will get a quadratic equation. You can solve it by middle term split method, and in the end we will get the radius 3 and 7, and when r2 is 3, r1 is 7. When r2 is 7, r1 is 3. Come to 23rd question. Diagram is already given and they ask you what is the area of this shaded region. So very easy. Shaded region means area of circle, we will subtract the area of rectangle. Rectangle length and breadth is given, we will find the area 588. The formula of area of diagonal, root L square plus B square, it is 35. We know the diagonal and the diameter is the same. So 35 is 2r. From there we will find the radius. Then we will calculate the area. And what is shaded region? Area of circle minus area of rectangle. So after subtraction we are getting 374.5 centimeter square. So 24th is also same. So here a square is inscribed in a circle and we don't know the side. Let the side will be x, and here the radius of the circle is given 7. So diameter will be 4, and one thing we know, the diagonal and diameter are same. We know the formula of diagonal of square, root 3 into side, it is 2 into 7. So side is 14 divided by root 2. Then area of square, we know the formula pi r square, and put the value of r. This one, area of pi r square. This is the area of square. Area of square will be, it is not area of square, this is the area of circle, pi r square. Put the value of r, this, and then area of circle is 98 centimeter square. See the last question of this exercise. A metal wire is bent in the form of equilateral triangle. This is the wire you will bend, you will frame a equilateral triangle. Again you will bend, then you will make this. So we are using the same wire. It means perimeter of this equilateral triangle and the circumference of the circle will be same. Area is given. From the formula of area you will find the side. Then you will find the perimeter. Then perimeter of triangle and the circumference of the circles are equal. Just equate them. From there you will calculate the radius. After finding radius, we will find the area of this circle. So this is a way to solve the questions related to circle. I hope you get the idea regarding the chapter number 20, perimeter and area. Thank you very much.